They say sailing is a dream, but sometimes the dream makes other plans. Like 2 weeks holed up in flooded Forster, a dead fuel pump in Mooloolaba, collapsed engine mounts forcing me to make the beautiful Tin Can Bay my home for 5 weeks. And just when you're thinking things couldn't get worse, full engine replacement, 8 weeks in the beautiful Roslyn Bay. Back out on the beautiful ocean, once again in my element. Will I be doing this again? Hell yeah. 226 days sailing the East Australian coastline. Join me and follow the whole story following the links at the end of the video or in the description below.